Yo guys, what is going on? Today I've got a Sharp Map 3.0 pack opening for you guys, and this is my first ever YouTube video on this channel. And this conquest map is by far the best conquest map they've ever came out with so far in the game. Don't know if there'll be another one though, but this one is really good. Here is the map on how to complete and where all the stuff is. Credit to LSE. And here's all the goals. Here's the Chris Bryant card that you get for completing them all. He's got 107 contact for right, 69 left, and I wouldn't personally use the card, but here's all the packs I've got for the completing the conquest. A lot of packs, hoping for some good pulls, some prospect packs. Haven't saw those yet in the game. Yeah. Let's get to opening them. Let's see. Start off with the bad packs and then get to the good packs later on. Not going to pull anything out of here, so get these dope through with. Probably going to open... I don't know. What should I open? Prospect packs. I don't know. They're not that good. Probably going to start, the standard packs. And pull nothing out of the first pack. The second pack. Pull nothing. Probably not going to pull out anything out of these first standard packs and stuff. Not very good. Next pack, nothing. Probably nothing out of here. Nothing. Okay, now on to the headliners. Headliners packs suck this year. I pulled nothing from them. I pulled one King Griffey, that's it. Diamond Jersey, Diamondbacks. Not bad, not bad. Next headliners, set 7, nothing. Set 8. Another Diamond Jersey. Nothing. Nothing again. Really not getting good luck. This pack right here. Oh, we pulled a diamond. Let's go. Open up all these packs before we get to the diamond. Let's see. Mike Trout, baby. Purple lights. Don't care. Get over with. Don't care. Is that Juan Soto? Wow. I didn't expect to pull a Juan Soto out here. Not bad pull. Not bad. Could be worse. Next headliners. Nothing. Let's see here. Nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna have bad luck the rest of this video. Nothing again. Set 17. Nothing. Nothing, bro. These packs are so bad. Another Diamond Jersey. A gold. Ramon Laureano. Nothing. Nothing. King Griffey. Let's hope I get him. Of course not. Of course not. Okay. Now on to the 42 packs. Probably gonna open a prospect. Yeah. Let's see. Who do I want out of this? I don't know. None of these cards are very good. Oh, you get 5 of them. Oh, you get every single one of them. Why is it a choice pack? That don't make sense. Don't know what the game is thinking on that. But, alright. I'll take him. 42 pack? Tough choice. Probably gonna take Babe right here, to be honest. Yeah. I think Babe. Probably gonna sell him. Yeah, I'm selling them. 10K for free. I mean, could have got some more if I went to the marketplace, but it's whatever. Backpack. Let's find the Babe Ruth one. I can't. It's gonna take a little bit to find. Let's see. No. There it is. Got the Babe Ruth bat. Kitchen sink packs. Hoping for a rare round, of course. Okay. Of course you don't get it. Kitchen sink packs I've had no luck with this year. Well, I don't know. Take the gold glove for a collection. Kitchen sink 2. Of course. A common round. Base round. Never get the rare rounds. I don't even care. Probably gonna take this guy. On to the balling packs. If we get one diamond out of this, I'll be happy. Gold. Balling is a gold pack. Never pull nothing. Another gold. Another gold. Where's the diamonds, bro? Diamond, there we go. Give me my Trout, baby. Oh, blue lights. This is not purple. Who we get? Ooh, Max Muncy. Definitely could have been better. Definitely could have been better. I'll take it, though. Next pack. Gold. A gold again. Yeah, I'm not pulling nothing else. I already got my diamond out of this. Gold. Gold. Yup. Another bone. Gold again. On to the All-Star game. Please give me a rare. This Vladimir Guerrero card, I have it. It is so good. By far my favorite card in the game. Freddie Peralta, I hope I get in. I see a base round. Oh my god. Well, this is it for the video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Gonna be posting probably daily if I can. See you guys.